This mini body camera was sent to me as a gift, and in this video I'm doing a full unboxing and then showing actual footage recorded directly from the camera so you can see the quality for yourself. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged nicely, and inside you get the camera along with multiple accessories and mounting options. Right away, one of the first things I noticed is just how small and lightweight this camera is. It's compact enough to easily wear or mount without feeling bulky, which makes sense since it's designed for things like sports, helmets, POV recording, and action footage. It also has a small 0.85-inch display screen, which is really useful because you can actually see what you're recording and navigate through settings directly on the camera. As I'm going through everything in the video, I show the different accessories included. The design feels pretty straightforward and beginner friendly, so it doesn't take long to figure out the controls or settings. This camera records in 1080p, and it also has a 120-degree wide-angle lens, which helps capture more in frame when you're moving around or recording outdoors. After the unboxing section, I switch over to showing actual footage recorded from the camera itself so you can see the video quality directly instead of just hearing about it. That's always the most important part with cameras like this because you want to know what the footage really looks like in real-world use. In the clips, you can see how wide-angle view captures more of the surroundings, which is really useful for POV style recording. The footage also gives you a better idea of how smooth and clear the recording looks during movement. Since it's so lightweight, it's easy to wear or mount without feeling uncomfortable or getting in the way. Another thing I like is the compact size makes it really versatile. You could use it for things like writing, outdoor activities, sports, or just recording hands-free footage in general. In the video, I focus on both the hardware and the actual footage so you can get a complete idea of what you're getting. Overall, this is a really neat little camera. It's compact, easy to use, comes with useful accessories, and gives you actual POV style footage in a very small package. And with the real footage included in the video, you can judge the quality for yourself instead of just relying on specs.